here with a very special car. This is a 1971, the year I was born, Firebird, Pontiac Firebird Formula 350. Obviously not factory paint now. This is, if you're looking closely, you can see there's a little blemish in the paint. If you look really closely, there's like a couple little waves and dents on this car. It is a show car, but it's not, you know, show ready. Obviously it has a little ding. We're getting it warm. And I've checked access. This is an entire metal backing sheet that I have to take out these, what, 5 or 6 or 7 metal screws, pull out that whole metal thing. It's a big job to get that inner liner out. A little bit bigger than the plastic ones. And usually on a plastic one, I can only take out 2 or 3 clips and sneak in behind it. So I'm kind of taking this time to intro in and say thank you guys for clicking on this video to let this thing heat up. I've got my glue heated up, and since the access on the inside from the hood is not happening, it's just not. It's not happening from down here. I can open up this door and have a little tiny hole that's back behind this panel and slide in maybe Bertha or my R32 squishy. And as I'm looking down here, I see a little hide, really tight brow. I don't know what this is. It's really, I think what this is, guys, is where that wall meets up with the rest of the panel. Not even part of the dent. But like I say, I do appreciate everybody clicking on this video. If you don't mind hitting that subscribe button, we sure appreciate it. Thanks to all of our new subs, and we really love seeing the community grow. Just hit 10,000. So now what I'm doing, guys, is before I make any glue pulls, I'm kind of just testing the pliability of this metal. I'm basically hitting some of the brows and seeing how much this metal wants to bounce and wants to move. Obviously, I got the Shane jackhammer with the squishy rubber tip on this side. And I'm trying to open the dent up a little bit. So it's nice and warm. I think I can turn this off and make an actual glue pull. But before I do that, I have to just open up this top edge too a little bit. So hopefully you guys can hear me okay. We got the microphone on and it looks to be on. Is that on, honey? It has no buttons?
It says it's on.
Okay, it says it's on, so. Yeah, guys, I'm just trying to break this eyebrow down a little bit. Some of that tension out of that metal so it'll want to move. Let's turn it up just a second while I go and grab my heat gun, because I'm always so prepared, right? Or my glue gun. We're using the Black & Decker cordless battery-powered glue gun, and I think on a dent like this, now we're gonna start to let it cool. I think I want to use this Atlas Chronos tab. If I can get this little piece of glue off so it lays nice and flat. And let's just lay a pad in. And what I want to do, guys, is let it cool a little bit before I stick it on, because I don't want it to just bond like crazy to that paint. I was gonna say I was gonna use the lifter. Well, let's see. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll sneak up here with the lifter and just give it a quick pull. But I don't want to push down too much with these feet. And I definitely want to leave the glue on the car so that it doesn't pull off any, or have even the chance to pull off any paint. But there we go. There's pull number 1. I wouldn't say it moved it a lot. I'd say it moved it a little, and I can tell because these tight edges right here got a little bit tighter. And that's the back and forth of it all. paint back on, get it nice and warm. So guys, I did plan for a couple hours on a dent like this. Obviously, we're not going to make a couple hour long video. We will keep you in for as much as possible. But I think what I have to do is sit here and tap on these brows a little bit and keep on going through and making some slow pulls through the center. Let's make one more after I let this cool while I'm tapping. I'm watching these black lines, and wherever they pinch the most, that's where I want to break it open. And once they start breaking open, I want to keep moving. I don't want to just make a part of that line straight all the way through. I want to make them evenly straight. So then we got some more pinch down here, way down towards the center of the dent. We break it open and kind of flow it out. This is a very high level difficulty dent just because of the nature of the car, the type of the metal, the fact that it's not factory paint. And I personally would never suggest anybody glue pull on something that's not factory paint. I kind of have a lot of faith in this paint job that it looks like they did a very good job. So and I've also looked at the bottom of the edge where the paint fades onto the metal. It looks like they painted it pretty well. This right here, I don't know what that paint blemish is. Let's let this get cool and let's make one more little pull. Like I said, guys, we're probably not going to keep you in for the whole thing. We're just going to do what we can to, let's do this, to show you as much of the process as possible. But we definitely will come and show you the end result. Look at this little cheap tab. Now this is a little cheap. No, let's use a strong, good tab. I'm thinking the Square Atlas Titan. And I'm going to give it almost a full pump. And I'm following the angle of the dent. Went right through the middle of it. Now this time, guys, I'm going to let it cool for a little bit longer because it was warm and I know that this puller is working. Actually, I'm going to get this guy off of there and even move this back a little. Give me a little bit more room so I can come in behind this. Let's see what we can do with this one. Now you see it's about a 1/4 inch up off that panel. Oh, excuse me. But it's because the Chronos tab has a thinner foot. So I had to adjust this to make it the right size. Okay, guys, I think after this first 4 or 5 minutes that you just spent with me, I think we're now seeing some progress. I got my tools all over. Let me move them so wifey can move. Now we just got a little bit of progress right here. That moved a teeny bit. So we're just going to keep on it. We're going to keep doing back and forth and back and forth. I might put this back up so I can keep getting her warm. But I think the next thing we'll do is just keep, well, like I said, I'm going to keep on this for about another 45 minutes doing this back and forth. We might have a little bit of speedy just to keep you guys in for some of this. But it's looking like it's a slow mover. Now let me make another little pull real quick. We'll get back to you guys in just a bit. Okay guys, we're back. This one, we've made a few pulls. We've gotten a lot of it out. I'm going to keep it warm actually while I'm talking. I just opened up the door and stuck a tool in this hole, and it goes up to right here, and then there's a wall. And like I said, there's this little high ridge right here, and how solid that sounds. That's because that's where this wall meets all the way down. So it's got a metal wall right here and a metal wall right here. The flange underneath here goes all the way up and around and down, and it's sealed. So there's no way to really get to it. What I'm gonna have to end up doing is glue pulling the whole thing. So we've gotten it out to a couple little valleys, and I really just have to make sure that I break open these eyebrows before I make any more pulls. It's crucial to getting the dent out flat. So basically we're gonna have another little bit of a glue pulling session. Please excuse the background noise. I'm just banging on this thing right in your ear. I can tell. But it's got to be done. I'm basically have to get that pit of the center out. So in order to do that, I basically have to flatten that down into a nice shallow dent rather than a sharp one. So we are going to just keep on the patience route, guys. I thought I'd bring you in for a couple more minutes of the in-betweens. And I think that if we do any more throughout the middle of this, it'll probably be the speedy version. This is almost perfect temp. Let's hope the glue's warm. And I am going to just use a gangrene tiny tab because I only want to get that little bit out right now. I've been using the lifter and it seems to do okay. Like it's not making any more, causing any more dents. And what I mean by that is, if this thing is on a round like here, you have the possibility of causing 2 more dents right where these feet sit. And yes, it is on a round, but it's a very slight round. It's a big old egg shape. And I kind of want to hold down the area around this tab while I'm pulling it up. I know I'm struggling with it a little bit there. Just getting the tab on. Maybe the glue wasn't that heated, but that did not move it at all. Just a tiny drop of isopropyl. Let's go with another one of those, and let's go with right there. And just see if I can move some of that. Get this guy ready, because I had a little issue with it last pull. Okay, so now it's nice and ready. I want to pull it fairly quick. Give it a nice snap and move a tiny bit of metal. But that's the slow process. I'll probably make about 50 or 100 more pulls on this one, guys. And so like I say, we might speedy it, we might not, but either way, we're gonna come back and show you the end result on this super neat Pontiac Firebird in just a bit. Okay, world, here we are. We're back with this one. I would say we got it to the 85% mark. There is a little wave to it, and there's a little low to it. I got behind a little bit of it with the tool, got most of it out, but with the strength of this metal and the age of the paint, I didn't want to really do any damage to that paint. We got as far as we could with the glue pulling. I think we did pretty good with it. I'm just showing it to you in natural lighting, and honestly, if I throw the board on it, you'll see it has a little wave right there. I kind of see this little scuff a little bit more than the dent itself. Let me, well, I shouldn't buff it with my shirt, but I just wiped it on down. Showed it to the customer, they're super happy with it. Other than that, I mean, I can only do what the metal will allow on this one. I said I could have worked it for another hour and made it a teeny bit better, but I think we did pretty good on this one. So if you would, hit us up with a like, share it with social medias, and other than that, I'll just say the thing. This has been PDR, and I'm out. Peace.